Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now on my desk, what you will see is a accumulation of a few Christmas crafting products that I keep on hand under my desk and a few boxes. Let me show you one of them. These are the ones that be on clearance at Dollar General and in those places like that, and I just grab them after Christmas. They're usually like $1 or 50 cents or whatever. So I keep my supplies in those boxes so that I can tuck them underneath my desk and craft throughout the year. But I never do craft throughout the year. I usually get started in October, but I don't like having to go all the way up into the attic to get it, nor do I want to have to wait until after Thanksgiving in order for me to locate my goods. So what I am getting ready to work on right now is a Christmas themed journal card. Okay, so there is a challenge that the Crafty Trinity has out effective today, and it's going on for the rest of the week, actually for the rest of the month, obviously. And so for this challenge, you can really make whatever you want to. THELISHA did point out, the Crafty Trinity, by the way, is THELISHA, Sonya Stover, and myself. So THELISHA did point out that not everyone celebrates Christmas. We get that. So with that being said, and with that in mind, so that we can include everyone in and have as much participation as possible, we are extending that to include winter-themed journaling tags and journal cards. So snowflakes, and if you have another religion, Kwanzaa. I'm not familiar with the other ones, but I do know a few, but I don't want to call each one of them out. Okay. You can celebrate your winter holiday by way of journal card or journal tag. Now, me, myself, I just grabbed, I keep these on hand, some Gesso mailers, junk mail, and I am going to attempt to put together a large journaling card to go into my Christmas journal. Okay, I would pull that out, but I am really in a time crunch, so I'm gonna bypass that, and if I have time towards the end, I will pull that out. And that's kind of why that's the kind of day I've been having, where anything that possibly could go wrong or any other type of distraction, it's there. That was Josh, obviously. I may edit that out, I may not. Anyways. so this is the journal card that we ended up with. Coffee dyed pages, paper, polka dot background, a little bit of ribbon. It's technically like crochet, whatever. Some washi back there. There's a little Tim Holtz Christmas saying, some scrap paper from, some page or a paper pad from like 3 years ago. This little bird tag and the rhinestone, which meets the rhinestone part of the shiny part of the challenge. Okay, and then I finished it off with the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. So I think that came out really cute. In the back is just great journaling spots. All right, and it will be used in my, where did it go? You know what? That's in the box. Sorry, I can't share that with you. That one is a little tucked a little bit tighter. So anyways, I hope you guys will join us on this challenge. Don't forget to use the hashtag found in the description box. And go ahead and head over to THELISHA and SONYA'S channel so that you can check out their videos as well. If I have the time to put their links in the description box, they will be there as well. If not, head over to Sonya Stover, as well as We're Baking and Crafting Meats by THELISHA. All right. I hope you guys will join our challenge. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.